Okay, so you're welcome back to this class. Today we want to rearrange this formula to make t the subject. So the first thing we're going to do is to eliminate this square root. So to eliminate the square root, we have to square it. The square is the opposite operation. The square will eliminate this. So whatever we do on this side, we do on the other side. So we're going to have r squared equals to the square root 3w plus t. So we're going to square this here. So this square will cancel out this square root. So we're going to have r squared equals to 3w plus t. So the idea is to make t the subject of the formula. So we're going to move 3w to the other side. So it's going to be r squared. If we move 3w to the other side, it becomes a negative because this is still here. 3 r squared minus 3w equals to t. So t is equals to r squared minus 3w. That's the answer. Okay, so let's look at this one. We want to rearrange the formula to make w the subject now. We want to make w the subject of the formula. So the first thing we're going to do is to eliminate this cube root. This cube root, we are introducing a cube. So whatever you do on this side, you do on the other side. So we introduce the cube. The cube is going to be 3 cube equals to 5y minus 8. So introduce the cube. So this cube will cancel out this cube root. So we're going to make happen 3w cubed equals to 5y minus 8. So we're making a y the subject. So the first thing we're going to do is to move 8 to the other side. We're going to move 8 to the other side. So let me move this a little bit. We'll move it to the other side. So this becomes w cubed w cubed plus 8 equals to 5y. So now we want to make y the subject, we have to eliminate this 5. So we divide this 5y by 5, do the same thing here. So this becomes w cubed plus 8 divided by 5 equals to 5y divided by 5. So this 5 cancel this 5 and this one is like this. And move it to the other side. And so we're going to have w cubed plus 8 equals to 5 over 5 equals to y. So this is the answer. So this becomes y equals to w cubed plus 8 equals to 5. So this is the answer. Thank you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow for more math lessons. Thank you.